Do you know these herbs? Do you know this seed? I don't know if you can see it. Do you know this seed? This is called cat eye seed. Cat eye seed. It can be found in your local market. It can be found at the herbal homes where they sell spiritual products, where they sell all these herbs. Yes, they sell it there. If you just get there, tell them to give you cat eye seed, ojolongbo. Yes, ojolongbo. She give you cat eye seed. This cat eye seed is very powerful. It's a very, very powerful seed created by God. Like I always said, I always tell people that nature is God's gift to mankind. If you can connect yourself with nature, with herbs, if you can have faith, if you can connect yourself with herbs, you are not going to regret it at all. You see what prayer can give you in 1 month. When you combine prayer with herbs, you are going to achieve it in 1 week. I'm telling you this because it is the truth. But a lot of us do not understand the power of nature. We don't understand what God has given to mankind. We don't understand the importance of the things that we see around us, all the leaves that we find in our surroundings. We do not know their usefulness. We do not know how important they are. Do you know that God has given us power over all these herbs, over all these things? He has given us dominion. He said we should have dominion over all these things. He has given us the power over it. If these things are not important, God is not going to create them. If these things, if they're not important at all to us, God is not going to create them. Because you all know that there is no man. All these things are not made by any man. No man made all these herbs. No man made all these natural things. All these leaves, trees, birds, animals, all these things are made by God. God alone made all these things. There is no man that has made them because God has not given any man any right to create all this. Yeah. So all these things are made by God. And without God, there is nothing made here on earth that was made. So if God has made all these things, He has made it because He knew it was going to be useful. He knew that He made it for us because He knew that we are going to make use of it. And He told us that we should have dominion over it. We should use it as herbs. Yeah. So sorry, they just brought the light. So I went to plug my power bank. Sorry. So like I said before, if it's not going to be useful, God is not going to create them. So this morning, um, so today I'm going to be teaching us how you can make use of this powerful spiritual seed for protection. Do you know how you can use it for protection? You know, I took this morning. That is why I remember that I should drop the video. I've taken it this morning, so I will not be taking it again. I would have done the practicals for you. I've taken it before. I remember that I was supposed to make video where I was taking it so that you can know. We have been taking this for some time now, fast for years now, and we've not had any issue. So this is how to take it for protection. But when you want to take it, the only um the only issue there is that when you want to take it, make sure that it did not touch your teeth. This thing must not touch your teeth. It must not touch your teeth. The seed must not touch your seed. Go ahead and get 3 seeds like this. Get 3 seeds like this. Mm? Then get 3 seeds of alligator pepper. 3 seeds of alligator pepper. Put it on it. So once you have put the 3 seeds of alligator pepper on this 3 seed, go ahead and pour it in your mouth. Pour the 3 cat eye seed and the 3 alligator pepper together in your mouth. Make sure that you are putting it in the middle because it must not touch your teeth. Swallow it with water or with your saliva, whichever one. This is a powerful protection. If this thing is inside of your body, no accident. Even if you enter a bus and the bus have an accident, you're not going to get any scratch on your body. You're not going to have any scratch at all. As this thing is, if this thing is inside your body, anybody that tries to do you any harm, the harm will go back to the sender. If anybody plan evil against you, the person will use their head to carry it. This is a powerful protection that I'm teaching you now. It's a powerful protection. Go ahead and use it to protect yourself. Take 3 seed, swallow it with 3 alligator pepper. Swallow it, and then you are going to see that you are going to become indestructible. Yes, anyone that try to do you, the juju will go back to that person head. It will not work. It will not work for you. It will not work in your own body. You know, accident is no more your portion. You will not have any accidents in order. So that is it. That is what this cat eye seed is going to do for you. Then another thing is going to do for you, you can use it for attraction. You can use cat eye seed for attraction. You can use it to attract love, money, to attract good things into your life. So what are you going to do? When you get this cat eye seed, get 7 pieces. Sorry, get 41 pieces of this cat eye seed. Count it and get 41 pieces. Get 41 pieces of this cat eye seed. Count it. 41 pieces of this cat eye seed. Then get 7 pieces of alligator pepper. 41 pieces of cat eye seed. 7 pieces of alligator pepper. I'm going to be needing your 6 flower perfume. We all know that 6 flower perfume is very good for attraction. We all know that that 6 flower perfume is a very powerful attraction perfume. A very powerful attraction perfume. 6 flower. It attracts a lot of good energies, a lot of good things. So go ahead and get 6 flower perfume. Yes. So put this 41 seed of this cat eye seed. Put it inside your mortar and pound it. Pound it together with the 7 seed of alligator pepper. Seed, not the bunch. Pound it. Once you are done pounding it, open your 6 flower perfume and then add all the items that you have pounded. Add it inside the perfume. Once you have added inside the perfume, bring it close to your mouth and pray. Pray very well. Declare. Make declarations on it. Speak what you want into the oil, how you want it to work for you, what you want it to attract for you. Speak it inside of the oil. This particular oil is very good if you have a shop or online business owners and offline business owners. Even those that work in the office, you can use it in the morning when you're going to the office and you're going to be favored. If it is time for promotion, use that. Your company, you will be promoted. You will have promotion. You'll be having contracts. Your businesses, you're going to see massive sales. You'll see how people will just they will not see other shops that sells what you are selling. Even if you are inside anywhere where you like be, they are going to find you and come to that place to patronize you when you start using this particular spiritual attraction oil. So go ahead and pour it inside and pray. Decree on it, pray very well on it, and keep it for 3 days. Keep it for 3 days so it will ferment very well. So after 3 days, you start using it. This is the one I prepare. Yeah, this is the one that I'm using right now. You can see it inside of it. Go ahead and prepare it like this, and then you start using it. You see, so this is the one am using. This is how I use it sometimes. I just put it on my forehead like this, or sometimes I just carry it on my palm, rub it on my head, rub it on my hand, and decree money. I call for money, I call for massive sales, customers, let them begin to troop into my business, let them come to patronize me. My online business will sell massively, attract clients, massive customers. Customers are going to buy goods in large quantity. I attract favor, I attract attraction, I attract love. I attract wealth, money from the universe, from the earth. Whoever that see me or hear my name will favor you. Whoever my potential customers and my potential buyers are, let them begin to locate me, let them begin to come to buy from me. This my hand will continually count money. This hand will not lack money. My life will not lack good things. My life attracts good things. Make this declaration and then you are good to go. That is it. So thank you all so much for watching. If you have watched to this point and you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please kindly hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. Yeah. Also share to your friends and family so they can also benefit from what we are sharing on this channel. I'll be seeing you again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed. If you have anything you want me to teach or talk about, drop it in the comment section. Thank you all so much. Bye for now.